yeah, looks good. Just like that. The sponsor's having a sale on these Boos blocks. Really nice. This one here is the gathering block. It's about 200 pounds. It's end grain rock maple, and it's been used for over 10 years. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Yeah, not too big, not too heavy, easy to move around, super high quality, and you're buying an heirloom. This will last for generations as long as you take care of it. When you notice your cutting board's getting a little bit dry, a little rough, and the color gets a little lighter, it's time to break out the oil. You can use the mystery oil, or you can use the board cream, or you can use the elixir. It doesn't really matter which product you use. It's just important to maintain the board. And one more thing, if your cutting board and your counter height is not ideal, you can add another cutting board like this. Just drop another one on top, you're good to go. Now you can achieve a more comfortable, relaxed position for cutting, chopping, cooking on, and it's better on your back and your body, and it's more comfortable in general. So I wanted to show you those things. I'm going to oil these boards, and I'll be right back.